Previously, I addressed the large language model itself, how LLM functions as a force multiplier across the software development lifecycle, from requirements definition to operational support. Today, I want to move up one layer of the stack because once you understand what an LLM can do, the critical question organizations face is how do you actually control it, govern it, integrate it into your production system at scale? So let's start where the orchestration engine sits in relation to the workflow and the broader technical architecture. In production systems, the orchestration is the substrate that binds everything together, routing intent, managing context windows, invoking tools, enforcing policy constraints, and controlling the execution flow across the software lifecycle. The element is the component inside that system. It's not the system itself. This architectural distinction is where organizations either gain leverage or lose control. Most teams fixate on the model, which one is smarter, which one is cheaper, which one is faster. But the real system is the orchestration layer. It determines the intelligence behind inside your environment, how risk is contained and managed, how predictability and auditability delivery actually is. Get the orchestration wrong, even the best model becomes a liability. When I have organizations design and evaluate an orchestration engine, I assess against 6 capabilities: intent routing, context management, tool execution, human in the loop gates, observability, and governance. This is what transforms LLMs from demo into deployable, trustworthy systems. This is where cost becomes an architectural concern, not just a budgeting exercise. You still begin with the traditional software cost estimation: scope, complexity, staffing, risk buffers. That foundation remains critical. That foundation remains the same. But the orchestration fundamentally reshapes the cost model. You now have inference and token consumption, retrieval and embedded pipelines, multi-step workflows, governance, evaluation, compliance overhead, latency, and human approval paths. If the orchestration layer isn't designed with cost visibility and control from the start, cost becomes unpredictable at scale. Most capable organizations are building platforms where AI is operational, integrated, such as Anduril, Palantir's AIP. These aren't chatbot strategies, they're platform strategies. They treat orchestration, governance, observability as a first-class architectural concern. LLMs aren't magic, they're infrastructure. And the organizations that treat organization, governance, and cost as a foundational architecture, not an afterthought, are the ones who build resilient, scalable systems that deliver measurable business value. This is the lens I use when helping organizations integrate LLMs responsibly, without breaking delivery velocity, organizational trust, or cost control. If you're leading an engineering product operation, you're trying to figure out how to make this real, start with the orchestration. Everything else follows from here.